Hey crafty friends, welcome to a scrapbooking with me design team project. This is a graphic 45 paper collection called Sunkissed. You guys may remember this from I think a February release, and I just wasn't in the mood to work with these colors. I was still in winter mode. So now I'm in summer mode. I'm going to be doing a lot of summer projects, and I was really inspired by this crab right here. I was at Hobby Lobby and I was checking out, and it was literally at the checkout, and I grabbed it and I thought, oh, I'm going to gesso that and make it different. And then I was like, oh, wait a minute. It's orange. And this paper collection is blue and orange. Perfect, right? Okay, let's get going. First, let me tell you, I will put all the links to Scrapbooking with me in the description box down below, along with my coupon code. If this collection isn't your cup of tea, check out all the other collections. Tons of new, fancy, wonderful, terrific stuff coming out for the summer. So anyway, I started out using a fabric, and I went to the fabric store and I found this orange fabric that you can barely see, and it was in like the super discounted stuff because it's orange, and I mean, how many people want orange fabric, right? So anyway, I used that for my my binding, and I just love it. This is from the chipboard collection. This is a wooden lighthouse from my stash, and the back. So the front, I just used the corrugated board. Everything is paper from the collection. I fussy cut this out of the large 12 by 12 sheet, and then, I just framed out the crab here, and he is not going anywhere. He is E6000 on there. He is there to stay. So if you're interested in this album, don't worry about him coming off. He's not coming off. All right. Super excited. I really wanted to kind of challenge myself in a way to not embellish too much on the inside. There's a lot to see with this paper collection, and so I kept embellishments to a minimum, also so I could keep this book, closing pretty well, because I chose not to put a closure on it in the beginning. So here we go. This is an 8 by 8 by 2.5. Okay. All right. First page, we've got a double pocket. We've got pull-out tags back here that I embellished with sticker sheet stuff and punch outs and a little bit of wood embellishments there. Those tucked back in there. I used a little bit of trims, not much. So there's this braided trim back here. Here is one of the, oh gosh, what do they call these? The postcards. Opens like that for photos. And there's another pull-out tag with the cute little anchor. I've got the Woodward Discover down here, and it's real cute because it's got the little kids in there digging and are going to discover stuff. All right. On this page, we've got the really cute the little girl with the bow, all at the beach and barefoot. Life's a beach, and I got a kind of a braided trim around that. It opens like this, and you've got room for journaling there. Then this opens this way, and then you've got your, is it supposed to go like that? Okay, yeah. You've got your long envelope here, and I left all these envelopes empty. My idea was that you just tuck goodies and things down in there, so I don't have anything in here. However, if you are interested in this album and you want me to cut a craft sheet that will fit down in there, just let me know and I'll be glad to do that. Okay, it opens this way. You've got two pull-outs here, so journaling on there. It opens this way, and then you've got another little pull out, a nice place for a photo there, and then another little envelope to tuck goodies in. you know, tickets, receipts, you know, what have you. And everything's magnetized, so it closes nicely. All right. Then we've got this pocket page, and it pulls out like that. We've got this tag with the set sail and a smaller lighthouse there. Sticker on the back of that tag. And then we have this. It opens up, and you can put 3 photos there, and then voila, you can put 2 photos on the front. So that tucks back in there. I'm not going to tuck that all the way in yet. This opens up. This is a chipboard piece from the Chipboard Collection. A seahorse from my stash that was already that color, if you can believe that. This pulls out. And then we've got this beautiful postcard and room for photos. And all I did was take this envelope, you know, I took it apart, and then I glued the papers on, and then I cut around the edges to make it look like that, and then pretty trim there. So that's there. Then we go over here. We've got a little tag in the front. Super cute. Just tucks right in there. And this is another one of the kids digging. It's different than this one over here. And then I've got the word explore. This opens up like this. You've got your nice long envelope there. Then this opens this way. And I've got another envelope. And this, I left this plain. You know, you can stick extra photos. You know, you could write some notes and keep them in there. More just stuff. So that's that page. There's lots of room for photos. I'm going to tell you at the end how many photos you can fit in here. All right. We got another pocket, and back here we've got 2 booklets. You know, I really was not excited about this collection. I'm not a blue and orange kind of person, but as I worked with it, it made me happy. So, okay. Now this right here, we've got the set sail and the kind of, I don't know what you call this, braided trim. I added a little wooden boat there. This opens like this, magnetized, of course. And we open like that, and then you've got room for some cropped photos there. And then we've got an accordion fold pocket. And what this does is it keeps that tucked down, but when you open it up, you can expand it. So what I did was I used a die to give this little kind of a pretty edge there to it. There's 4 of these. And so when you put your photo on there, you still have that little edge. So there's room for 8 photos there. 1 on each side. Then on this side, we've got a little belly band right there. We've got the little tag. We've got a little booklet. And those tuck in the front there. And then this opens like that. And like that. And like that. Your envelope here again says Journey. And then we've got a side pocket here. And this opens that way and that way. And a little one in the front. So that closes, and then that closes, and that holds it closed. There we go. All right. This page opens like this. And you've got a tuck spot for more photos or whatever you want there. A photo mat. And we've got a little tag in there. Photo mat. Tuck spot with a tag. And photo. Then a large space here. Large space here. We've got an envelope over here, making a tuck spot for a tag. So a lot going on there. Then on this page, You and Me by the Sea opens like that. And then we've got a side waterfall. I did not put paper on both sides. Once you put your photo, you'll get that little border. So these are 4x6. Or, if you prefer, you can journal about the photo here. So, and then that closes and opens that way. And then you've got your envelope again. I got a cute little, I don't know, ship steering wheel. And then I love this paper with the sand dollars. Super love it. A lot of room for photos, I'm telling you guys. Last two pages. We've got a pocket and we've got a little photo booklet. And then we've got two tags. This has the cute little girl. This is from the sticker sheet. A lot of stickers that I used on the tags. A little boat steering wheel again. Okay, those tuck in there. Now this is interesting. I've had a hard time with this one a little bit. So this opens, oh, look at the cute anchor. And all this stuff was already the right color. So this opens this way. Then we've got this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. What do you think, guys? That is room for a lot of photos. And then our last page, we've got another large envelope. We've got the word travel. It opens this way. We've got the booklet and a tag. And then we have another envelope. This is a sticker from the sticker sheet, and then these little banners are from the sticker sheet. That opens up, and we've got a journaling tag inside. So there's room for more to be tucked in here if you were so inclined. All right. I hope you liked it. I always offer my my creations to you guys, my subscribers, first. If you're interested in this, my email will be in the description box down below. Feel free to contact me. If nobody does in a day or two, I will list it on my Etsy. Thanks for watching. Head over to Scrapbooking with me and get you some of this amazing yumminess or some other amazing yumminess. There is tons and tons of stuff there. Oh, let me show you too. I get all my score tape at Scrapbooking with me, and that's what I use to create my mini albums. I meant to show you guys this. So definitely check out the score tape. Can't live without it. I have a whole, let me show you. I have a whole container full of score tape. You need this in your life if you're a scrapbooker. That's for sure. All right. Have a happy scrappy day. Bye, guys.